Most gardeners spend hundreds of dollars trying to make their garden look like it belongs in a magazine, and they still end up disappointed. But the truth that professional garden designers quietly know is this: the plants that stop people in their tracks, the ones that make neighbors slow down and stare, are almost never the expensive ones. A garden can look absolutely stunning, layered, full, and professionally designed, all on a tight budget. And the secret comes down to choosing the right perennials, plants that return year after year, multiply on their own, and deliver jaw-dropping results without draining your wallet. Welcome back to Seniors Gardening Advice. Sam here. This channel exists to help you grow a garden you are genuinely proud of, without the stress, the confusion, or the high cost. If this is your first time here, make sure you hit that subscribe button right now and ring the bell so you never miss a new video. And if you find value in today's content, please do share it with a fellow gardener. It means the world to this channel and the community we are building together. Now let us get into it. Here are 10 budget-friendly perennials that look like they cost a fortune, but absolutely do not. Budget-friendly perennial number 10, Astilbe. Starting at number 10, Astilbe is a perennial that genuinely earns its place in any shaded or partly shaded garden. Its feathery, plume-like flower spikes in shades of pink, white, red, and lavender create a soft, luxurious look that most people assume costs a great deal. Seeds and small nursery plants are widely available and very reasonably priced. What makes Astilbe especially smart for budget gardeners is that after a few seasons, the clumps grow large enough to divide. That means one affordable plant becomes 2, then 4, then 8, all without spending another penny. Astilbe thrives in moist, rich soil and partial shade, making it a great solution for those tricky corners of the garden where many sun-loving plants struggle. It is also remarkably disease-resistant and tends to be left alone by deer and rabbits. In the landscape, group Astilbe along shaded borders or beside water features where its tall, graceful plumes can catch the light. It creates a layered, romantic look that genuinely appears far beyond its price. Budget-friendly perennial number 9, Bugleweed. Bugleweed, also known as ajuga, is one of the most underrated ground-covering perennials available. It spreads steadily without becoming invasive, produces deep blue flower spikes in spring, and its foliage stays attractive for the entire growing season. Some varieties display rich purple-toned leaves, while others lean toward deep green. Both look striking when planted in large sweeps. Seeds are very affordable, and established plants can be divided freely after just one season. Bugleweed handles partial shade with ease, which makes it incredibly useful for filling spaces under trees or along the shaded edges of pathways. In the landscape, it softens hard edges beautifully and gives the border a polished, finished appearance without any extra effort. Deer and rabbits tend to ignore it entirely, which is an added bonus for gardeners who deal with wildlife pressure. Budget-friendly perennial number 8, Yarrow Moonshine. Yarrow Moonshine is a plant that earns genuine admiration from every visitor to the garden. Its flat-topped golden flower clusters sit above soft, feathery silver-green foliage, creating a clean, structured appearance that feels very designed and intentional. Seeds are inexpensive, and nursery plants are typically available in the $8 to $15 range, a remarkable value for the visual impact delivered. What sets Yarrow Moonshine apart is its toughness. It thrives in hot, dry conditions, tolerates poor soil, and requires almost no maintenance once it is settled in. The bloom period is long, often stretching from early summer well into the autumn months. Its sturdy, upright stems rarely need staking and hold up well even in wind and rain. In the border, moonshine works best in the middle layer, where its structured golden blooms create strong contrast against softer, more flowing plants around it. Repeated throughout a planting scheme, it brings a wonderful cohesion to the whole design. If you are enjoying these picks so far, please give this video a thumbs up. It truly helps more gardeners find this content. Budget-friendly perennial number 7,
Catmint Walker's Low. Catmint Walker's Low is a garden designer favorite that consistently delivers a high-end look for very little money. Live plants are commonly found in the $10 to $20 range, and seeds are even more affordable. Its soft lavender blue flowers appear in generous, cascading waves that create a relaxed, flowing effect across the border. The overall impression is one of great refinement and natural beauty. This plant is remarkably low maintenance and thoroughly easy to grow. It thrives in full sun, tolerates drought well, and produces multiple flushes of blooms throughout the season. After the first flush fades, a simple trim encourages it to rebloom and remain tidy for weeks longer. In the landscape, Walker's Low works beautifully along border edges and in the front layer, where its soft form can spill gently outward. It creates light, flowing transitions between different planting layers and pairs exceptionally well with roses, giving cottage garden combinations an expensive, intentional quality. Share this video with a gardening friend who needs to know about these plants. They will thank you for it. Budget-friendly perennial number 6, Black-Eyed Susan Goldsturm. Black-Eyed Susan Goldsturm is one of the brightest, most cheerful perennials available at such a low price point. Seeds are widely available for just a few dollars, and nursery plants typically range from $8 to $18. The bold yellow blooms with their deep contrasting centers instantly make a border feel fuller, warmer, and more vibrant, the kind of look that takes much more expensive planting schemes years to achieve. Goldsturm is one of the most reliable perennials grown in temperate gardens. It handles heat, humidity, and periods of neglect without losing its appeal, and returns each year with consistent, dependable performance. Its dense, clumping growth habit also helps suppress weeds, a practical benefit that saves both time and money. In the landscape, it performs best in the middle of borders, where its bold color anchors softer textures on either side. Planted in groups, it creates strong, cohesive blocks of color that give the entire garden a more intentional, designed quality.
Budget-friendly perennial number 5, Coreopsis Moonbeam. Coreopsis Moonbeam brings something truly special to the garden, a light, airy, glowing quality that no other plant quite replicates. Its pale yellow flowers appear in such abundance that the plant almost seems to shimmer in sunlight. Seeds are very inexpensive, and small plants often range from $8 to $15, making them one of the very best value plants for a refined, elegant border effect. This perennial is loved for its easygoing nature and remarkably long bloom season. It thrives in full sun, tolerates dry conditions confidently, and continues blooming for months with very little attention. Once established, it forms a neat, feathery mound that needs almost no intervention to remain attractive. In the landscape, Moonbeam works beautifully toward the front or middle of borders, where its fine texture can soften bolder, heavier plants. It is especially effective used to create light, flowing transitions between different layers of a planting, the kind of detail that makes a garden look thoughtfully designed. Budget-friendly perennial number 4, Salvia Caradonna. Salvia Caradonna is a standout perennial that creates a dramatic vertical statement without demanding a dramatic price. Seeds typically cost just a few dollars, and nursery plants are often priced around $10 to $18. Its deep purple flower spikes emerge on near black stems, bringing a bold, architectural quality to the border that looks far more sophisticated than its price suggests. The color is rich and intense, the kind of purple that garden photographers love to capture. This salvia is very easy to grow and maintain. It thrives in full sun, tolerates dry conditions, and continues blooming for an extended period with minimal care. A light trim after the first flush can encourage a second round of flowers, extending the display well into the season. In garden borders, Caradonna works beautifully in the middle layer, where its vertical spikes create strong contrast with softer, lower-growing plants.
Repeated in groups, it introduces rhythm and visual cohesion to the planting, a technique used by professional designers that costs almost nothing to replicate. Make sure you subscribe to Seniors Gardening Advice if you want more practical tips like these every week.
Budget-friendly perennial number 3. Coneflower Magnus, Echinacea. Coneflower Magnus is a classic that deserves its place on every budget-conscious gardener's list. Seeds are very affordable, and live plants are often found in the $10 to $25 range, excellent value for such a bold, impressive display. Its large, rosy pink blooms with their distinctive raised orange centers create a full, curated look that immediately elevates the surrounding planting. Magnus is celebrated for its toughness and reliability. It handles heat, drought, and even poor soil with ease, returning year after year with very little care required. It is also a magnet for pollinators. Bees, butterflies, and hoverflies all visit regularly, bringing additional life and movement to the garden. In autumn, if the seed heads are left standing rather than cut back, goldfinches and other small birds will feed from them through the colder months, adding wildlife value that continues long after the flowers are gone. In the landscape, Magnus works best toward the middle or back of borders, where its upright flowers can anchor softer plants around it. It pairs wonderfully with ornamental grasses and other perennials to create a layered, naturalistic planting. Budget-friendly perennial number 2, Lavender. Lavender is one of those perennials that instantly communicates elegance. A single well-grown clump is enough to make a border feel designed and purposeful. Seeds often cost just a few dollars, and small plants are typically in the $10 to $20 range, exceptional value for a plant that delivers such a premium Mediterranean impression. Its soft purple blooms and silvery foliage create a calming, refined atmosphere that elevates any sunny spot in the garden. Beyond its undeniable beauty, lavender is also one of the most maintenance-free perennials available. It thrives in full sun, tolerates drought, and performs best in well-drained soil. Once established, it asks for very little in return: no regular feeding, no frequent watering, no complicated care routine. After a few seasons, established plants can be lightly divided to multiply them across the garden. In the landscape, lavender works beautifully along pathways, in front of house beds, or in sunny borders where its color and fragrance can be appreciated up close. Planted in repeating groups along an edge, it creates a clean, structured rhythm that looks genuinely professional. Budget-friendly perennial number 1, Helopsis, false sunflower. Taking the top spot is Helopsis, commonly known as false sunflower, and it fully deserves this position. Helopsis produces a generous profusion of bright, sunflower-like golden blooms from midsummer right through to autumn, delivering more consistent color over a longer season than almost any other perennial at this price point. Seeds are inexpensive, and plants are typically available in the $10 to $20 range, yet the visual impact Helopsis delivers rivals plants that cost 3 or 4 times as much. What makes Helopsis so valuable is its combination of toughness and productivity. It thrives in full sun and well-drained soil, tolerates drought once established, and requires minimal maintenance to perform well year after year. Unlike some perennials that need dividing frequently or staking to stay upright, Helopsis is sturdy, self-supporting, and naturally vigorous. Its tall, upright habit, often reaching 4 to 5 feet, makes it an ideal choice for the back of borders, where it provides height, color, and structure simultaneously. The blooms are also excellent for cutting, bringing warm golden color indoors with ease. In the landscape, Helopsis works beautifully as a bold anchor plant. Pair it with shorter perennials like Coreopsis Moonbeam or Salvia Caradonna in the front and middle layers to create a planting scheme that has height, texture, and color at every level. When repeated in groups of 3 or 5, it gives the border a coherent, intentional quality that makes the whole garden feel thoughtfully designed.
For gardeners who want strong color from July through October with almost no extra effort, Helopsis is the single smartest investment on this entire list. There it is, 10 perennials that prove beyond any doubt that a stunning garden does not require an expensive one. Every single plant on this list comes back year after year, multiplies over time, and delivers a garden that looks far more professionally designed than the price tags suggest. The real secret is not spending more, it is choosing smarter. One final tip worth remembering. Many of these perennials can be divided after a few seasons, turning one plant into several completely free of charge. That means your initial investment keeps growing in value every single year. If this video helped you, please give it a like. It takes just a second, and it genuinely helps this channel reach more senior gardeners who could use this kind of practical, honest advice. Drop a comment below and tell Sam which perennial from this list you are most excited to grow. And if you know a fellow gardener who is trying to create a beautiful garden on a budget, share this video with them right now. They'll be glad you did. Subscribe to Seniors Gardening Advice and join a community of gardeners who prove every single week that age, experience, and a little wisdom grow the finest gardens of all. Sam will see you in the next one.